Listen closely, for this isn't just a story of heartbreak. It's a story of revelation, a revelation about who you truly are and what you deserve. And trust me, you deserve more, so much more than the hollow echoes of someone who realized your worth only when it was too late. Now, let me tell you something. The tragedy of their loss is not your burden to bear. It's theirs. Their torment, their eternal regret, and it will haunt them long after they've realized what they've lost. But you, my dear, you were never meant to be anyone's afterthought. You were never meant to be the one they took for granted. You were meant to be the prize, the crown jewel, the rarest find in a world that loves to settle for less. Oh, how they stumbled, how they fumbled with the gift they didn't even know how to hold. And now they sit in the silence of their regret, trying to make sense of it all, asking themselves how they could have let you slip away. But you rise. You rise above because your story doesn't end with their failure to recognize you. You see, the right person will never need to lose you to understand your value. They'll see it, feel it, and cherish it from the very start. They won't wait until you're gone to realize what they've lost. They will fight for you, protect you, and treasure you because that's what you deserve. You weren't made to be someone's lesson, but you became one anyway. A brutal, unforgettable with your heart. The love that sees you, feels you, and cherishes you. Not when it's too late, but from the very beginning. Their world will feel colder now, more hollow, because they gambled with something irreplaceable, something they couldn't see the value of until it was gone. They thought they'd be fine without you, didn't they? How wrong they were, how utterly mistaken. But you rise above, you keep going. And the next person who steps into your life will know what they have from the very start. They won't need reminders. They won't need wake-up calls. They'll see you, and they'll hold you as if you're the most precious thing in the world, because to them, you will be. You are irreplaceable, and the right person will never make you feel like you're too much. They'll never make you doubt your value, because they will understand from the very beginning that you are a rare gift. So let them sit in their regret. Let them feel the weight of what they've done. Don't you dare let it hold you back. You are unstoppable. You are unshakable. And you are deserving of a love that doesn't hesitate. The next chapter of your life, it will be filled with so much more than they could ever offer. You will find the love you deserve, bold, unwavering, and constant. It will be a love that celebrates you in every moment, not just when it's too late. While they continue to spiral in their regret, you'll be thriving. You'll be living your best life, surrounded by people who see you for the treasure you are. They'll look back, hoping they can replace you, but they won't. They will never find someone like you, no matter how hard they try. Their regret will sting, but it will never change the fact that you are irreplaceable. You taught them a lesson they'll never forget. one they'll carry with them like a shadow. And while they continue to chase shadows, you will soar higher than they could ever imagine. Don't let their failure dim your light. You are meant for greatness, and you will find it, because you've already won. You've already risen above, and you will continue to rise. Next year, while they're mourning their losses, you will be embracing new beginnings. Your wings are stronger now. Your flight is more determined. You are unstoppable, my dear, and the best is yet to come. Let them sit in their regret. Let them wish they had done things differently. But know this, they had the chance to appreciate you, and they blew it. That's on them, not on you. So walk forward with your head held high, your heart open to the love that awaits. You are not their lesson. You are a force to be reckoned with. You are the light that will never be dim, and you will shine brighter than ever before. And remember, you are irreplaceable. Nothing, no one, will ever compare to what you offer. Their loss? It's your gain. Now, go forth with confidence, my dear. The universe is clearing the path for you, and someone who will value you will come into your life. Your story isn't over. It's just beginning.